So what is good, people? Welcome to another investing video. And in this video, we are continuing our investing $1 a day series. This time we are in episode 5. So that means I need to have a minimum of $35 invested into each asset. And so we're jumping right into this one. We're starting off with metals. As you can see with the prices up here, everything is down a little bit. We can see that my initial investment was $45.03, $20 into gold, $25.03 into silver, and it has gone down. I'm at $19.41 for gold and $22.68 for silver, for a total investment of $42.09. And you can see the chart over here. Gold has gone down a little bit, not as much as silver, but silver did spike quite a bit and then it has gone down. Now, even with metals going down, the demand for them is still really high right now. I don't think it's going to slow down anytime soon, especially the way the economy is going. And so I will keep buying into metals. I am at $45. So it is still not yet time to buy more in order to stay consistent with the $1 a day. We're going to have to wait until we pass the 45-day mark before I can buy any more. And so we're just going to leave metals as is. But unfortunately, I am down in the gold and silver. Jumping into stocks. So it looks like with stocks, we're down again. We are down 2% for the week and 2% for the month as well. And we've only been doing this for about a month. And for our stocks, there is one of them that is going to be paying out a dividend in the next few days. I believe it's this one. Yep. Here we go right here. So we got a dividend payment coming from Armor Residential REIT. It is going to be on May 30th. So by the time we have our next episode, I will have that dividend payment. And since I only own one share, it's just going to be 8 cents, which is actually not bad considering that the shares are less than $5. And so I was trying to decide between buying another share of this or putting some more money into our most recent stock, which is the EOG Resources. And I believe I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to buy more of the EOG Resources just because it is such an expensive stock. And we only have $7 into it right now. So I'm going to go ahead and add another $7 into it just so we can get a little bit more. So I'm going to leave this at dollars. Go ahead, turn that into 7. Review the order. And we're going to queue it since this is not, the market is closed right now. It's not market hours. So I'm just go ahead and queue that for $7. All right, so we've added $7 more into EOG Resources. And you can see my buying power has dropped down to $2.74. I actually have this set to automatically deposit $7 every week. I think it's like either every Tuesday or every Wednesday it's going to deposit $7 into here. So that way, by the time I do my episode for investing $1 a day, it will already be available for me to invest into whatever I decide to invest in. And so even though we're only down by 2% on everything, but that dividend payment will help boost things up a little bit. And we're going to jump over into crypto. So Dex Finance, they have completed their migration. They migrated from the Binance Smart Chain over to the Arbitrum chain. It's 100% complete. And now they are setting things up to let people actually claim the tokens that they put up for migration. Now this is their new Dex vaults. I was looking at it earlier. They have 278 vaults in there already. I think this was just launched. Might have been a few hours ago, less than 24 hours. And so we already have 278 vaults set up. They don't have a lot of the Binance Smart Chain vaults that I was looking at before, but they do have a lot of really nice vaults on Arbitrum. And I was looking at a few that I might get into, like this Blue Chip Bull. It's a 100% compound, so you're not taking any profits. But these are still some really, really good coins and tokens that I'd be interested in. And there is another one, Blue Chip Maximum, which is basically the same thing, except this one does have an automatic take profit. It is 75% the take profit. And you can see the APY for this one is 61%. But when we go to the 100% compound, it's 300%. And that's, of course, because you're automatically compounding your profits back into your investment. So those are some vaults that I'm going to be looking into once I can actually claim my USDC. As of right now, I cannot claim the US DEX is not available. If you remember in my previous episode, I went ahead and migrated everything into US DEX to the Arbitrum chain, and it's unfortunately not available yet for me to claim that. However, they did do an airdrop and they sent out some Ethereum to everyone. And so they sent out $2 of Ethereum on the Arbitrum Smart Chain or Arbitrum chain, just so that we can use that in order to claim our tokens when they become available. So that was nice of them that they're taking care of the gas fees for us. And it's actually not even going to cost $2. It's probably just going to cost a few cents. But they sent a little bit extra, just in case. So right now, since I can't claim my US DEX, I'm not going to do anything new here. I'm going to just put this one on hold. But once I am able to claim the US DEX, I am going to jump into one of the vaults. I'll just have to make sure that I have enough in that next episode to cover the $1 a day investment. But besides that, the new site is looking good. It's looking very good. These are the three things they have set up: the vaults, the swap, and the DEX ETF. And the US DEX is $1. It's basically 99 cents. So as I mentioned in the previous episode, that if they do a 1-for-1 transition from the old US DEX to the new US DEX, then I will make a 20% profit. I believe that's what they're going to do, but I'm still not entirely sure yet since I can't actually claim. But we will find out next week if I do gain a profit. Now the GDEX is actually available to claim, but I don't have any. And so that is unfortunate, but hopefully I might start putting some of my rewards into GDEX because I do believe in DEX Finance. I believe in what they're doing. But you can see they already have over $1 million in TVL. They have $2 million in the treasury and then $352 in revenue. So they're off to a good start for someone who just completed their migration. I think it was yesterday that they completed, but they're already doing well. So we're not going to do anything with crypto in this episode. So just to recap, we are down on metals. We are down on stocks. And if you count the airdrop, we are up in crypto, but really we're not doing anything. I'm going to count this as us just staying the same in crypto. So nothing new and exciting in this episode. We're just continuing to invest in the stuff that we've already invested in, and we're going to ride things out. So that is pretty much it. Let me know what you guys think. If you came up with some investments you want me to take a look at, just leave it in the comments below. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you guys in the next video.